Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to study the syllabus of ancient Indian history. Now, we all know that for UPSC CSE preparation, we need to have a strong hold over the syllabus because if you do not know what to study and what not to study, then it becomes tough to consolidate the resources. So, in this class, we are going to understand what to study in ancient Indian history from prelims and mains perspective. तो आज की क्लास में हम ये समझेंगे कि प्रीलिम्स और मेंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से हमको क्या पढ़ना है और क्या हम इग्नोर कर सकते हैं. So before starting the class, here's a small announcement for all of you. आप सभी के लिए क्लास शुरू करने से पहले एक अनाउंसमेंट है that the PDF of the lecture will be uploaded on the Telegram channel. क्लास का जो PDF है वो तो Telegram channel पे आ ही जाएगा. Another thing is that Unacademy has launched a very important initiative, that is Unacademy Combat, which is the most competitive gamified UPSC CSE battle that's going to happen on 6th of December at 11 AM in the morning. तो Unacademy Combat जो है एक competitive gamified version है UPSC CSE का. Combat means to attack, to prepare for a fight. So here you can compete with thousands of learners in India's biggest fortnightly competition for UPSC CSE. It's going to start on December 6. 6 दिसंबर को शुरू होगा सुबह 11 बजे. Note this time. So what's going to happen? There will be different quizzes. इसमें क्या होगा? Unacademy Combat, it's a battle to challenge thousands of learners and it's also an opportunity to win exciting prizes. India's biggest fortnightly competition for UPSC CSE. So here you will be having extensive quizzes with 6 rounds of 10 questions each from economy, polity, environment, science and tech, geography and history. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर ना आपको हम quizzes देंगे. 6 राउंड्स होंगे क्विज के. 10 क्वेश्चन हम इकोनॉमी से लेंगे, 10 क्वेश्चन पॉलिटी, एनवायरनमेंट, साइंस, टेक, ज्योग्राफी और हिस्ट्री से. एंड दीज क्वेश्चंस आर क्यूरेटेड बाय अनअकैडमीज बेस्ट यूपीएससी सीएसई एजुकेटर्स. So you will see real-time leaderboard after every question to instantly know the answers you got right and know where you stand among the other learners in India. तो आपको instantly आपका स्कोर भी स्क्रीन पे दिख जाएगा ताकि आपको पता चले कि आप बाकी competitive learners के साथ कहाँ खड़े हो अभी. Detailed video solutions after every contest will be given to you, as you can see over here. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो ना, video solutions भी आपको दिए जाएंगे in case the questions are technical. तो आपको video solutions भी मिलेंगे, ठीक है? So that you get it right the next time. So do not miss this opportunity. Over here you can see leadership board will be reflected. आपको आपकी rating मिलेगी, score मिलेगा, leaderboard मिलेगा, and awards also. You will be getting badge of honor also. So there will be 13 combats like these. ऐसे ही 13 combats होंगे, ठीक है. ऑल्टरनेट संडेज को ये क्विज क्यूरेट होगा. 6 सेक्शंस होंगे, 45 मिनट्स होंगे, 60 क्वेश्चंस होंगे एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग योर रिलेटिव स्कोरिंग. नाउ द प्राइजेस. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द एक्साइटिंग प्राइजेस दैट अनअकैडमी इज गिविंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. If you are first in this combat quiz, then you will be getting Apple MacBook Air. If you are second in this combat quiz, you will be getting Apple iPad Mini. Third ranker will be getting Apple AirPods and top 100 rankers will be getting ₹1000 Amazon vouchers. तो अगर आप top 100 में भी आते हो तो भी आपको Amazon के gift vouchers मिलने वाले हैं 1000 रुपए तक के. So here you can see you can compete with the best and you can win the best prizes, amazing prizes. Now how you can enroll? For that you have to download the Unacademy Learning app, register or sign in on the app, select the goal as UPSC CSE. Click on the link which is given below in the description description of the video. Then on enroll now. ठीक है, click on the enroll button now. तो करना क्या है, अनअकैडमी का लर्निंग ऐप डाउनलोड करो, रजिस्टर करो, गोल सेलेक्ट करो यूपीएससी सीएसई, फिर जो मैंने लिंक दिया हुआ है उस पर क्लिक करो, वीडियो के नीचे दिया है इनरोल, उस पर क्लिक करने के बाद इनरोल ऑप्शन आएगा, इनरोल पे क्लिक करो. व्हेन प्रॉम्प्टेड प्लीज एंटर द कोड अर्पिता 10 to activate your free plan. तभी एक prompt निकल कर आएगा. To activate or unlock your free plan, write the code. So use this code Arpita 10. इस कोड को यूज करना है Arpita 10. ठीक है? So do not miss this test at any cost. It's going to be India's the first best combat, a battle to challenge thousands of learners and win exciting rewards. चलो इसी नोट पे क्लास शुरू करते हैं. Let's start our class. When we talk about ancient Indian history, we need to understand the syllabus of ancient Indian history from both prelims and mains perspective. Okay, prelims और mains दोनों के ही perspective से हमें syllabus समझना जरूरी है. So here, let us break down the syllabus right now and the approach. So what are the referred sources that you are need to refer? You have to refer to class 6th NCERT, Ancient India by Ram Sharan Sharma, that is R.S. Sharma, ठीक है, and Tamil Nadu Board class 11th history. करंट अफेयर्स जो हैं आपके, ठीक है, आपको वो भी कवर करनी है PYQs के साथ. लास्ट 1 year करंट अफेयर्स ऑल्सो यू हैव टू कवर अलॉन्ग विद द PYQs. सो दीज आर द 3 बुक्स दैट यू रिक्वायर. क्लास 6th की NCERT, एंशिएंट इंडिया बाय राम शरण शर्मा एंड तमिलनाडु बोर्ड क्लास 11th की हिस्ट्री बुक्स अलॉन्ग विद लास्ट 1 year करंट अफेयर्स एंड PYQs. ठीक है. Now let us have a look at the relevance of ancient India history in prelims and mains. As you can see over here, number of questions were increased in 2012 from ancient Indian history, right? But 2019 में आते आते थोड़ा number of questions कम हो गया. It was decreased to 3 only. And as we look at mains, in mains number of questions have been a lot more in the year 2013 and 14. But in 2019 again the questions were 1 only. ठीक है, सिर्फ एक question पूछा गया था mains में. So you can see that there has been an increment and decrement, up and low phase in the number of questions asked from ancient Indian history. So you cannot predict if they will not ask anything this year or the next year. तो हमें accordingly we have to prepare our best from our side. So let us have a look at the syllabus. We have to study Stone Age. Why it is known as Stone Age, the 3 phases of Stone Age, the features of these phases. तो हमें Stone Age पढ़ना है. 3 phases होते हैं Stone Age के, वो पढ़ने हैं. Features पढ़ने हैं Stone Age के, क्या क्या features थे. Then in Stone Age you will study about Paleolithic period, Lower Paleolithic age, Middle Paleolithic age, Upper Paleolithic age, the Mesolithic and Neolithic. These are the time periods that you have to study. R.S. Sharma की किताब से आप prepare easily कर सकते हो. Then the Vedic age will come. अब जब Vedic age की बात आती है, here you will study advent of Aryans, characteristic features of early Vedic age, the polity, the political administration of that period. Then you will have to study economy, society and Dasrajan war also. ठीक है. इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में आपको पढ़ना है व्हाई इट इज नोन एज द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. इसको इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन क्यों बोलते हैं? द क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, द आइटम्स विच वर ट्रेडेड, डिक्लाइन ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. दीज आर द पॉइंट्स दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी. चालकोलिथिक एज में अगेन द टूल्स एंड द साइट्स ऑफ चालकोलिथिक एज, इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स पढ़ने हैं आपको. ठीक है. लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में आपको पढ़ना है इकोनॉमिक पैटर्न एंड द पॉलिटिकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ दैट पीरियड, society and religious practices as well. These are the pointers that you have to study in the later Vedic period. Religious practices भी पढ़ने हैं because there Prajapati was the most important god, right? Then you have to study about the Mahajanpad period. I hope you are taking a screenshot or writing it down because these are the specific points that you have to study, not anything else. यही specific points आपको पढ़ने हैं, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. ठीक है. So now in Mahajanpada period you have to study the word Janpad. It is mentioned in the Rig Veda also. What is the meaning of the word Janpad? Then Buddhist and Jainism literary sources, that is the books which were written in this period regarding Buddhist and Jain religion. 16 Mahajanpad on the map you have to prepare. ये जो 16 states बने थे ना महाजन period में, ये map wise आपको पढ़ने हैं. तो take out a map and prepare a map on map marking and prepare them. The location you have to remember. Then history of Magadh Empire you have to study, the Haryanka dynasty, Shishunaga dynasty, Nanda dynasty. There are many dynasties, but you have to study only these one as per your syllabus. Syllabus के हिसाब से आपको यही dynasties पढ़नी है. Mauryan dynasty, Chandragupta dynasty you have to study, Bindusar, Ashoka, Brihadrath and Mauryan administration. Why did it fail? Now post Mauryan period में आपको पढ़ना है the foreign invasion. Post Mauryan period में you will study about the Indo-Greek rulers like Menander, Saka rulers who came, right? Then the Parthian rulers who came. Foreign invasion पढ़ना है आपको कुशान्स का. ठीक है. कनिष्क period, Buddhist councils कहाँ बनी थी. Then different sectors in Buddhism, the Mahayana, the Vajrayana, right? The Hinayana sector that you have to study. Okay. Now coming on to indigenous dynasties, here you have to study about Shunga dynasty, Kanvas and Satavahanas. Only these dynasties you have to study. Their features you have to study, the literature, sculptures, art, culture, coin that were found in this period. Okay. Then South Indian history mein you have to study about the early Cholas, the Cheras, Pandyas and the trade of 3 dynasties. That means what kind of trade. See, Chola dynasty we are already studying on this channel. Okay, इस channel में हम Chola dynasty तो पढ़ ही रहे हैं. आपको Cheras, Pandyas पढ़ना है, उसका society, culture, religion, trade pattern पढ़ना है. ठीक है. In the Gupta age you have to study the founder of the Gupta age. the different founders like Chandragupta I, Samudragupta I, Chandragupta II, Kumargupta, Skandagupta. These Gupta rulers you have to study. The economy during Guptas, the religion, socio-religious aspects, temples, and the society of that period, foreign travelers who visited that period you have to study. It's important for prelims. Then the Harshvardhan dynasty you have to study. In the Harshvardhan dynasty, Huan Sang's record you have to study. What did he note down about this dynasty? And the Ahuil inscription. Then you have to study the Chalukyas of Badami and the Pallavas of Kanchi. ये पॉइंट्स आपको इसके अंदर पढ़ने हैं. स्पेशली यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ दिस पीरियड. इस डायनेस्टी के टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर पे फोकस जरूर करना, बिकॉज दैट इज आस्क्ड इन प्रीलिम्स. So this is how you have to prepare for ancient Indian history. I have told you the book also, R.S. Sharma, class 6th NCERT and Tamil Nadu class 11 state board book. तो ये मैंने आपको resources भी बता दिए हैं and last 1 year's current affairs along with the PYQs of last 8 years. ठीक है? So this is the complete package how you have to study ancient Indian history. I hope you enjoyed this session. Also, do not forget to join in this Unacademy Combat, the most competitive battle. You can use code Arpita10 to unlock this free test feature. Thank you everyone.